start using. So generally what I want to write script here, if you go for the any application, I want to write the script in this manner. What is that? This is how I want to write it. Driver equal to new Firefox driver. This is how I want to write it. Right. And before this, okay, what I have written www.gmail.com, but this information I have written in the property file. So this property file information I want to use it by using this variable. That is only one time we can declare. All the team members can access this information into our script. How is it possible? P dot get to property, and here we can write it like this. What is the variable? This is a URL. This is a variable. So I want to write P dot, P is nothing but this is a property file reference dot get property. Now you can write the URL. Now you can write the URL. This is a URL, we need to write it. So variable we need to write it. So that URL we can use it and we can open the application. Okay, for example, same manner I want to write driver dot find element by dot XPath. I want to write the XPath. So what is the XPath we have written? Normally this is the XPath we need to return. This is XPath we have written. But I don't want to write the XPath directly. This is a variable I want to use it, property file variable. So I want to use it here in this same manner. How we have written P dot get to property, within the double quotation we can write in this manner. This is a variable. So instead of writing property, this is XPath directly, we can go for the here dot send keys. Here I want to enter the data now, so I don't want to enter the data. I want to enter, this is a variable. What is the variable? Uname. So that is the value I want to. How? P dot get property. So within the double quotations dot uname. This is how we want to write it here. Same manner, driver dot find element by dot XPath. Same, I want to write it here. P dot get property. Within the double quotations I want to write here. Copy this. Right here. Dot send keys. P dot get property. Now here I can write it P word. This is a variable name I want to write. P word. This is how I want to write it. In this manner. Same manner, driver dot find element by dot XPath. Now P dot get property. I want to write it here by here P dot get property. I want to write the sign in button. So within the double quotation login dot btn dot loc. This is the locator. This I have written. And dot click I want to write it. This I want to write the click. Same manner I want to write the next button also, right? So driver dot find element by dot XPath. How I written XPath? P dot get property. I want to use it here. Now this is we can go for the next button. This is where written dot click. Okay, this is how I want to write it. So in this manner we want to write it here. In this manner we want to write it here. Right? After written this one, all the see I'm not written directly XPath. I written into the XPath all into the property file. I want to use it. Same manner, every team member can associate it, start the using in this manner. Now see, I want to run it. Save it. Click the run button. So open the browser and so open the Gmail, enter the first name, next password. Okay, it's not entering the password. It's not a programming problem, it's a net speed only. So I want to wait it here. Driver dot manage, oh sorry, dot manage dot, we can write the timeout. Don't worry about this statement, I'll inform you what is that this statement. I'll discuss later why we need to write. Okay, I want to write it. Okay, this is nothing waiting statement. I want to wait when our application is not ready. In that situation I want to wait it. That is a situation, that is a statement I want to write it. Now observe, I want to change single line also application. Just I add the one statement. Now observe, open this. Okay, enter username, next button, password, sign in button. So this is I want to click it. Oh, what's happened? Sign in button. Okay, I think sign in button I'm typing a variable name. I could not find. Actually, what we are written sign in button. Oh, sorry. Yeah, login btn. This is how I want to write it. Copy this. Okay, fine. Right. Save it. Run it. So open the browser. Password. Click on the sign in button. What's happened? Yeah, I'll check it. What is the problem is facing? Could not find the element. Export is null. Okay, I'll show it. I'll check it. This is a export button dot locator. What's happened here? Oh, sorry. I want to write it two times. Huh? How? Why is it coming like that two times? Okay, fine. Save it. Now run it. Right. Okay. Okay. Sign in. So in this manner, we need to perform the action. So these we are calling as a how to handle the property file. What is the main purpose of the property file? Reusability, managing, very easy manner. So if you go for one project, nobody, each and every person don't use their own export one time. Okay, every time individually. One time we need to prepare the property file. All are using this property file information and write their script. So this is we are calling as a reusability manner. We need to implement our actions. So these we are calling as a property file. We are calling this, we are calling as a property file concept. We are calling it is very helpful whenever we are started into the framework. So this we are calling as a property file concept. We are calling. So it is a very useful in framework situation. So and practice more this topic also. Okay, now. So now I can stop it here and we'll continue the tomorrow our session. Okay, and before completing this one, so what we need to done here, first creating, then associating, then we are using. Anybody can use same manner like this. This is only the steps we need to follow to implement the property file concept. It's very clear.